Ladies and gentlemen, I am Mohit Sadana advocate. A warm welcome to my audience, and today we will discuss regarding the concept of live-in relationship. Today's video would be lengthy because this concept is very ambiguous and this notion has been touched by the various courts with contrasting viewpoints. For example, in a recent case, Delhi High Court has held live-in relationship between two consenting married individuals has not been made criminal. Courts cannot impose their perception of morality on individuals if such choices are not illegal or an offense. Whereas another high court has held the bane of live-in relationship is byproduct of constitutional guarantees as provided under Article 21 of Constitution, engulfing the ethos of Indian society and promoting promiscuity and lascivious behavior. Those who wanted to exploit this freedom are quick to embarrass it. I understand that there are different perspectives on this matter and I respect that. However, I would like to answer most raised query by the general public in accordance with the prevalent law. So let's start by understanding what is live-in relationship. If a man and a woman live together with their free consent and without any formal marriage, they are presumed to be in a live-in relationship. The most asked question is, what is the legal status of live-in relationships? The live-in relationship is not defined under the Indian law. However, the relationship in nature of marriage is defined as per Section 2, subsection F of the Domestic Violence Act, which defines as domestic relationship between two persons who live or have at any point of time lived together in a shared household through a relationship in the nature of marriage. What is distinction between relationship in nature of marriage and live-in relationship? In case of relationship in nature of marriage, the individual pretends to be spouses for a long period of time and are otherwise qualified for the legal marriage. Whereas in live-in relationship, two adults willingly live together without any formal commitment of getting married or for a short-term period to assess compatibility with a partner and understand each other without having an intention to create a lifelong relationship or entering into a formal marriage. Are live-in relationship legal in India? Yes, they are legal in India because of constitutional guarantees of equality and personal liberty. Article 21 protects the fundamental right to life and personal liberty, including the freedom to cohabit with the choice of your partner without any interference. What happens if a dispute or breakup occurs in a live-in relationship? The Honorable Supreme Court in D. Veluswamy's case 2010, Volume 10, SCC, page 469 has held that the couple must have resided together in a shared household and must have lived as a couple holding themselves out to the society as being akin to spouses. In order to institute a case or complaint against the another partner, the aggrieved party must fulfill the following criteria. The couple must hold themselves out to a society as being akin to spouses. They must be of legal age to marry. They must be otherwise qualified to enter into a legal marriage, including being unmarried. They must have voluntarily cohabited and held themselves out to the world as a being kin to spouses for a significant period of time. The parties must have lived together in a shared household as defined in Section 2, subsection S of the Domestic Violence Act. Merely spending a weekend together or a one-night stand would not make it as a domestic relationship. Can an individual enter into a live-in relationship with a new partner while being married or during the pendency of divorce proceedings? Yes, it is legally possible to stay with a new partner while being married or during the pendency of divorce proceedings. What happens if a child is born from a live-in relationship? The child born from live-in relationship is a legitimate child. The parents of the child are bound to provide support and maintenance to the child, though the custody and the guardianship right are to be determined based upon the best interest of the child. If you like the video, then kindly like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching.